Thanks for coming back. Very, very cool. Here I'm going to give you the theory of general pragmatism. Now, that's so not imposing. Trust me, it's only 32 words long and absolutely no math. A little kid could get it. The theory operates on three overriding principles. First, round is the predominant shape in nature. Planets, trees, the spins of electrons are all round and circular and spherical, with no sharp corners. Second, change is the predominant force in nature. Linear time progresses, and things change. It's how existence works. Third, the concept of general truth, which I'll explain in a minute. The theory tries to incorporate both the roundness of and the ceaseless change in nature and is powered by general truth. So, without further ado, the theory of general pragmatism. What works generally does. What is true generally is. What works generally creates beneficial human experiences. What is true generally supports what works. Choose to seek what works to find the truth. Now, you may say that you do this every day as part of your everyday life. But really, do you in every area of your life? If that's true, that's impressive, but it's doubtful. I mean, hey, we're all human. But far more important than you or me, does everybody try to create beneficial human experiences? Hell no! Evil is perpetrated every day. That's unbelievably non-beneficial to millions. This unfortunately happens because perpetrators of evil each develop very specific and very narrow truths. And those specific truths most often don't work for everybody. But the good news is general truths that do work for everybody can be achieved with a wide enough perspective. Let's say there's two guys. One lives in the Arctic, the other lives in the desert. And it's July and it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit that day. Well, the guy in the Arctic thinks that's a very hot day, while the guy in the desert thinks that's very cool and comfortable. And those two individuals could argue forever on that set of facts based on their perspective. But both of these guys, and you and I and everybody, would agree that 212 degrees Fahrenheit is boiling. When you pull back your perspective far enough, you can't help but come to a point of agreement. You'll find the general truth that can work for everybody in nearly every situation. Sharp corners are removed because this theory is round due to the operation of general truth. The theory of general pragmatism incorporates and instigates change by demanding action. You seek what works by taking an action. You notice your results, and if it's not working and it's not the results that you want, change what you're doing. Keep doing stuff until you get the results that you want. When you get those results, when it is working, you've found some truth. And hold on to it because it's hard to find in this world. You repeat this process in every area of your life, and you will have a better one. Babies, it's not that tough.